Are you looking for the best tub refinishing kit? In this video, we will break down the top 5 tub refinishing kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
Bathworks is a two-part resin that provides a porcelain-like finish. With the right preparation, it doesn't crack, peel, or yellow. The mixture covers 60 square feet. Hence, it's ideal for an average-sized tub. But for a full-size tub and wall, you'll need 2 kits. It creates a double coat that's only 1/8 inches thick. Such an ultra-thin layer provides a seamless appearance that looks like the original. Also, it needs 24 hours to cure. This bathtub refinisher is recommended for porcelain and ceramic surfaces, but it can also be used on other bathroom surfaces, such as fiberglass, marble, and plastic. One thing about this bathtub refinisher is that it creates a non-slip finish, so it provides non-skid performance, particularly on wet surfaces. The Armoglaze Bathtub Refinishing Kit is an odorless finishing product that gives off a synthetic porcelain finish. It can be laid out at a thickness of about 1/16 inch. The mirror glaze of the kit looks spectacular on any sort of material for your bathtub. Plus, it provides a heavy-duty coat. The coat doesn't peel or chip under leaky faucets, or even under bath mats. However, the product may form puddles at the bottom. There is no stirring tool available with it, so do make sure not to let the product stagnate at a particular spot. Armoglaze can be used to refurbish cast iron, porcelain, plastic, terrazzo, ceramic tiles, and concrete. It cannot be used on stainless steel. It also takes only 24 hours for the coating to cure, allowing you to add a second coating after 24 hours. One of the top features is durability, and aside from peeling off, the epoxy enamel is also moisture resistant, making it perfect for a leaky faucet. However, you should consider replacing a leaky faucet. This kit comes in a pack consisting of Ekopel 2K enamel, hardener, a foam roller with covers, and scooper boxes. It is completely non-toxic and odorless since it is made from fumes-free substances that do not contain any chemicals. Ekopel's enamel is 20 times thicker than other brands of refinishing kits, so only one coating can give you a full seal and restore the tub's appearance. Moreover, the enamel is oil-free, so it does not peel off for years and years. After the application, it takes only 24 hours for the tub to dry and cure, when the temperature is set at 72 degrees Fahrenheit. This refinishing kit takes the expense out of bathtub improvement. Perfect for renters, apartment dwellers, and residential or commercial tubs, sinks, showers. Pour-on tub refinishers are pretty effective, but all the mixing and application can take valuable time. Well, this spray-on aerosol saves you time and restores tub life to your old tub. Magic Tub has a 360-degree spray valve, hence, you can use it even at tighter angles. So, it's easier to access hard-to-reach areas. This tub refinisher rewards you with a bright white epoxy finish. You can use it on fiberglass, porcelain, acrylic, and ceramic surfaces. It's not as thick as pour-on tub refinishers. For this reason, it provides superior coverage. It can do 35 to 45 square feet, enough for an average-sized tub. You'll need 2 coats, with 30 minutes between the first and second coats. Moreover, this spray-on aerosol uses a high-performance formula. Because of that, it can stand up to prolonged exposure to moisture. The spray-on, one-part design makes it one of the easiest tub refinishing agents to apply. If you want to go easy and save time, Magic Tub Spray-on Tub Refinisher is a good choice. The Homax Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit feature a one-part product with a ceramic-like style that will coat and cover your entire bathtub. It is easy to apply, but takes around 48 hours to fully cure. All the accessories you will need, like a brush and the gloves, to keep your hands safe, are part of the kit. It does not take any mixing, and once you have shaken the paint, it will be ready to use. With the porcelain-like coating, it is waterproof and durable in the long run. The versatility allows you to use it for any tub, and to add it to surfaces as a final coating. It does not have an activator or any of the other additions that many people add. However, the basic ingredients of the main paint are sufficient. Unfortunately, a single 21-ounce tub only covers 55 square feet of the surface when it is applied.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.